Ritangani kabisa ntagete gwakira abantu baboisanga particularly abantu banyakembene toko batumira engora ya ito ya bene as a incident ya bete igora. We want to reiterate that behaviors to Osoro is not a reflection of Mugirango per se. The way he's behaving, the way he's commit, yani it is like Osoro nero muntu motanga ni obeire a whip majority from the national. I want to understand nga use yani keroge kinki akabeiroro. Why does it look like Osoro is the first majority whip in the National Assembly and is bullying everybody left, right and center? We are putting him on notice. Igachi tamatanga akosomero moyo MCA omoticho wodi buno mwana. You can't lecture us. We are elected leaders at whatever level. Those lectures must stop. Nando Osoro tigamanye ngaki Mugirango na intuntoro untolibire entane Osoro taliere bwe ko Mugirango igotura Mugirango by right. And therefore he must take it seriously that we are going also to hit back, and we are going to hit back seriously. The problem we have as a county is the issues of insecurity. Now the people who are going to investigate this incident are security people, and they were the main actors yesterday. The DCR are eating together with criminals. When you go to the court of law, they share the route, then they are left free. We are saying, Osoro tabase ondese public because I also dare him badly. He cannot abuse MCAs, but elected, but what awards, but representatives. Let me come to governor. Osoro ni ngubon. Osoro ni ugwato mugavana na ando utageto mugavana wa Kisii County, and he thinks he's man enough. Let him come and let him put the gloves off. We are ready for him. He's not going to abuse everybody. We are daring him in the assembly. It is wrong. It is not right. I don't want to abuse him because I respect him, but he stooped too low. At geto tato minto okwete egeti abantu abantu akabura bako mulimoki. It's being so much inhuman. And I am telling him, he thinks he's carrying the whole world on his back. It's not going to be business as usual in Kisii.